Are you tired of using those market bought toothpaste filled with lots of chemicals and additives? I think you are, because that's why you're watching this video, so I'll take it as a yes. So if you're struggling with it, why not try making our own natural powder just at home with just a few key ingredients. So hello everyone, my name is Anjali and thank you for coming on my channel Wonder with Jelly. And in this video I will be helping you with a quick DIY to make your own natural tooth powder just at home. And this tooth powder will be a game changer because it's natural, it's chemical free, it's pocket friendly, and it's very easy to make. So without any further ado, let's get started. But before that, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that I can bring you more videos like this. So let's get started. So starting with our golden superstar, turmeric aka haldi. So haldi is just not a hero in our kitchen, but it also provides various benefits for our face, body and dental health. Because turmeric contains curcumin, which is a natural compound with anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. And it also reduces gum inflammation, which could be redness, swelling and pain. And it also fights with tooth decay causing bacteria. So here I have used 100 grams of ground turmeric, and if you want you can use dried turmeric and make a fine powder out of it. So now moving on to our next ingredient. So our next ingredient is rock salt. So for over a year we have been using just rock salt for our daily food needs, as it provides numerous health benefits including oral care, as it contains minerals that support dental health, acts as a natural disinfectant, reduces bad breath, prevents plaque buildup and helps maintain a balanced pH level in the mouth. So here I have taken 100 grams of salt. So have your parents ever asked you to put some cloves when you witness toothache? Yes, right? That's because cloves are tiny powerhouses. And apart from their delightful aroma, cloves have been used for centuries to relieve toothaches. They contain eugenol, a natural analgesic and antiseptic which provides pain relief and fights oral bacteria. So here I have taken 100 grams of cloves and now we will make a fine powder of it. I have recently started incorporating cloves into my daily routine. I use them in a diffuser along with kapoor to create a refreshing aroma every morning, and my morning black tea feels incomplete without it. So I think these ingredients really helps to just freshen your mood. So now that we have met our three fabulous ingredients, that is turmeric, rock salt and this amazing clove powder, it's time to do some mixing to combine their powers. Wait a minute, not like this. We got to use a container, and here I'm reusing this container of a body scrub. Can you guess the brand? Just comment down. So you can use any container and I would suggest you to reuse any of the containers. So now I'm using this one, and we just have to add all of the ingredients in this container. So firstly I will be adding haldi. So I am keeping the quantity of these three ingredients equal, but if you want to adjust the ratio as per the requirement, you can definitely go for that. And if you want to add more ingredients like cinnamon powder or neem powder, or if you want to make it a paste rather than a powder, you can add any essential oil of your choice and make a paste out of it. So I have added haldi in it, I have added salt, and here goes the clove. And now it's just the matter of mixing. And just look at it. It looks so beautiful that I really don't want to mix it now, but we have to. I mean, just look at the layers. It looks so cool. Okay, so now let's start mixing. So it's just like that. We just have to give it a mix, and ta-da, your tooth powder is ready to rock your oral hygiene routine. So here it is. Just look at it. We have our own DIY tooth powder with just 3 key ingredients. See how beautifully and easily you can contribute to the environment by just following these easy steps or doing any DIYs. So we have just completed our sustainable dental routine, and by making this switch we are taking a small steps towards a greener lifestyle and contributing to a healthier planet. So since we are done with this great DIY, let's just put this powder to the test, and for that we're gonna use this tooth brush, which is a bamboo toothbrush. And now we're gonna take a really small amount of tooth powder in the palm of our hand, and voila, we are done. This was easy, right? So do try it. Look, I told you it's going to be a game changer for you. It's so easy to make it with just 3 key ingredients, and it is going to last for at least 2 months. So say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a healthier smile. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you really loved this quick DIY, and if you did, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends and family, and ask them to switch to this tooth powder. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.